Did you know the greatest military genius in history was betrayed by his own government and forced to watch his empire crumble? Hannibal Barca did the impossible. He marched 37 war elephants across the frozen Alps to attack Rome. Then at Cannae, he pulled off the most brilliant tactical victory ever recorded. 80,000 Roman soldiers lay dead on the battlefield. Rome was defenseless. Hannibal could have walked into the city and ended the war. But back in Carthage, the politicians were jealous of his success. They refused to send him reinforcements or supplies. For 15 long years, Hannibal sat in southern Italy with his shrinking army. He watched his soldiers desert one by one. The Romans rebuilt their forces while Carthage abandoned their greatest general. Finally, Rome counterattacked. They sailed directly to Carthage itself. Hannibal was forced to return home to defend his city, but it was too late. At the Battle of Zama, his weakened army was crushed. The man who brought Rome to its knees was defeated not by his enemies, but by his own people.